Honorable Chief Guest, educators, teachers and students, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. We would like to thank Microsoft for giving us an opportunity to share our story with the global education community and also with the education community of Pakistan. My name is Umar Fahim. I am the head of education technology at the City School and I'm also one of the 7 Microsoft Innovative Educator Fellows of Pakistan. I would like to begin with our vision, which is to strengthen students' learning, foster creativity, and to become the innovative, stream-centric, and the most sought-after schooling system of Pakistan. We have always had a strong emphasis on the development of ICT skills of our students from a very early age, as technology is one of the core components of the STEM education approach, and certain level of competency is a must for every individual to have, no matter which career pathway they choose for future, because they need to be successful in the 21st century. Launching any new program or a product as large as City School Network is always challenging and daunting due to the scalability issues, the varying infrastructure and demographics. When the schools were closed during the pandemic last year, since we are part of a private school network, there was a certain expectation of parents that we should be the first organization to start the online education platform. And it had taken us 2 weeks time to be able to train our teaching fraternity of 5,000 teachers to be able to use Microsoft Teams as a learning management system and also as a platform to conduct online classes. But the most challenging task was to train the 50,000 students across Pakistan and their parental community. So we followed the cascading training model, and the whole training cycle of this complete student, parent and teacher fraternity took us around 3 weeks time. So it was a huge success and it is still running and being managed by our experts and teachers. From the technology standpoint, our TCS Blended platform is powered by Microsoft Teams, where 50,000 students and approximately 4,000 teachers are connected to one another. We are currently using Microsoft Teams as a standard learning management platform where documents and video lessons are shared with the students, assignments and quizzes are given to the students, they are checked and returned back to them. We have also trained our teachers for the development of video lessons which they develop on Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Sway and other education technology platforms which are part and bundled of Microsoft Education Community Framework. We are also conducting online classes on this Microsoft Teams platform for the last 1 year so that the education process is continued. Yes, there were many challenges which were encountered in the beginning, but with the passage of time, the parental community, the teachers, the students were able to adapt and use technology in a very relaxed and successful manner. Our teachers are capable of producing best quality digital content and the students are taking maximum advantage of it. Our 276 Microsoft Innovative Educator experts were our change agents, as they were the ones who had given the training to our subject teachers on how to efficiently use our TCS Blended platform, which is powered by MS Team. And this particular platform is bundled with resources and tools like Microsoft Teams, which are part of the Microsoft Education Community Framework. Then teachers at the City School receive trainings, all sorts of training, whether it was technology training, whether they were pedagogy-based trainings, all these trainings were conducted on the same TCS Blended platform, which is powered by Microsoft Teams. And we were helping our students to be able to, go through the same learning process as they do in an on-site schooling. So it has to have the blend of both on-site and the online learning flavor associated with it. We are very proud to have 3,000 plus teachers who have attained the status of Microsoft Innovative Educator, and 1,500 of them will be working in the next 3 months to be able to apply and achieve the status of Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert, which will be a national record. The City School has been working tirelessly for the past few months to enable students to continue learning from home. The level of education shown by our staff and teachers and their dedication is absolutely inspirational. It clearly demonstrates our passion for education, especially in the face of adversity that is this pandemic and many other problems that we came across. To date, the City School has hosted more than 1 million online classes since March 2020, which is a huge milestone and a record for Pakistan to my knowledge, because on each day we were conducting 5,000 online interactive classes. So managing it on such a huge scale, and then with the whole spread of Pakistan with the kind of team we had, was a huge challenge, but touch wood, we have been able to pull it off because of the support which was constantly provided by Microsoft during the pandemic to all organizations. The pandemic turned out to be a blessing in disguise for the education sector, as our digital transformation process was fast-tracked. And what we wanted to achieve in 2025, we were able to achieve it in this particular year during the pandemic. The use of technology has shown its true potential and value, and any fear associated with it have been completely curtailed, as the entire education community is now currently dependent on it and will continue to do so in future. To me, personally, the best outcome of this digital fast-track transformation was in Urdu subject, social studies and Islamia subjects, where the teachers prepared excellent presentations to convert a very dry topic into an extremely engaging and enjoyable lesson. The spark and the excitement in the eyes of the teachers and students was our real achievement and the success, because of the content enrichment and the way it was engaged. Students had actually started taking interest in the non-course subjects, which was not the case in a traditional education system. Online quizzes were taken frequently. Subject-specific conferences, debates, even the Naat competitions were held throughout the academic session in different schools across Pakistan to keep the students engaged in the education process through Microsoft Teams. Professional development of teachers were conducted continuously on MS Teams to ensure that the teaching community is constantly updated on the new academic processes and practices. The active engagement of students and teachers and parents has actually helped us speed up our digital transformation, and as soon as we will be adapting the stream education philosophy, this whole process of learning will help us immensely. In the first year of our partnership with Microsoft, our 3 schools were selected as Microsoft Showcase Incubator Schools because of their efficient utilization of technology and their digital transformation frameworks attachment. The schools and the teachers have been in close coordination with international schools to exchange ideas, knowledge, which will extremely beneficial for them in the future and in the years to come. The kind of coordination we see now between the other international schools and Pakistan, it is proving out to be a great success for us. In the recent Microsoft Showcase School Summit, 11 digital transformation stories were showcased throughout the world as an example and as inspiration to the global community. Being a Pakistani, I feel extremely proud that 3 of those videos of digital transformations were out of Pakistan and they were from City School. To me, this was by far the best news of the year 2020, as we being the developed, not developed in fact, we being the developing country were showcased as a role model to the other countries. So for me, it was a huge success for us and even for Pakistan. During the recent Microsoft Global Learning Connections, 100 plus students of our incubator campuses showcased their robotics and other projects as an example to the experts of Microsoft and other schools. The experts interacted with the students and teachers over MS Teams when they exchanged, and they even asked questions and tried to double check whether these projects were actually created by these teachers and students also, which is a good thing to do, because one needs to be very sure that it's the students who have actually made the project, because you want them to be prepared for the jobs of the future. So they need to be pushed, they need to be challenged, and that is where we are, getting the best benefit of interacting with the international community to help us out so that our students know the best practices which are being followed around the world. We are very proud to be an institution in Pakistan which is actually developing the core robotics and coding skills of 15,000 students. It is itself a significant achievement. Around 16,000 students of City School have already cleared the Minecraft Hour of Code certification this year, which is also a significant achievement. Our core values are holistic development and digital citizenship. The transition to online learning would not have been possible if we had not done the preparation in the beginning. In the recent years, our students have been participating in various international and local education conferences and robotic events, and I'm sure we will continue to do so in future as well. We truly value our partnership with Microsoft, as it is because of them we were able to establish such a sound uh, edtech platform, and we were able to showcase ourselves as leaders in virtual schooling and digital transformation. TCS has always provided support and shared their methodology to the Sindh Education Foundation and the government of Sindh for establishing SOPs for their own virtual learning space. This shows our commitment to education, and we will always be willing to support our local government bodies to improve and enrich academia and their education processes. I would like to mention here that unfortunately we have a habit of getting relaxed once we are through with the challenges. Therefore, it is extremely essential to continue the use of technology in the field of education even after the pandemic, and we should continue to invest in people and in professional development of our teachers. Technology, we all know, is a great enabler, but it is the people and their readiness to adapt that will steer the world into the future. Pandemic has given us a real opportunity to grab the EdTech train, and if we miss it now, we will go back another 30 years. So let us all take a pledge and make an impact. Once again, in the end, I would like to thank Microsoft for providing us the platform to flourish in the online learning space, and let us all put our best efforts together to continue using the technology in the best possible way we can. Thank you very much.